The Ultrean, the PowerXL, or COSORI Lite? Perhaps the Dreo Digital or the GoWISE? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top budget air fryers available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 budget air fryers. The 5th product on this list is the COSORI Lite. With the right kitchen equipment, cooking doesn't have to be unhealthy and stressful anymore. COSORI Lite is a convenient bit of kitchen equipment we feel small homes should have, because it cooks food in style and gives you more control over the entire process, so that your food comes out delicious. It is a portable air fryer that sits pretty on your kitchen countertop without taking up much space. Plus, it has a simple design that will look good in any kitchen space. In terms of performance, COSORI heats up fast and can reach a temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing enough heat to cook different foods within minutes. In addition, it heats evenly, so that all parts of your food cook properly and come out as if it's supposed to. This air fryer has 5 one-touch preset cooking settings for chicken, French fries, bacon, veggies, and steak. On top of that, you get the option of customizing your cooking settings according to your needs. For instance, if you would like your steak to be cooked more than the preset cooking settings allow it to, you can increase the temperature and cooking time. Moving on, this air fryer allows you to prepare healthy meals because it requires little to no oil to cook. Instead, it removes the excess fat in most food when cooking. We also like how easy it is to clean the detachable parts of this air fryer, especially as most of them are dishwasher safe. You don't have to worry about whether or not the air fryer is safe to use, and this is because it is BPA free. Furthermore, this unit has an auto shutoff feature and overheat protection. Lastly, you can download the COSORI app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store and monitor your cooking and find recipes from your smartphone. Its pros are, it requires very little oil to cook, making it a healthier option. The app makes it easy to use and provides extra recipes, and it has both presets and is fully adjustable to meet your needs. However, its cons are, the non-stick coating on the cooking basket is not the most durable. The COSORI Lite is for those who want a more convenient way to prepare most meals without guesswork. Up next in 4th place is the GoWISE USA air fryer. The magic of mixing ingredients to create a beautiful meal can only be made possible with the right kitchen equipment. With this unit, you don't have to worry about burning your steak due to too much heat, overcooking your veggies, or other blunders that often happen in the kitchen when you barely know how to control the cooking temperature and timing as required for various ingredients. The GoWISE USA air fryer has 8 preset cooking settings for different foods and can heat up to 400 Fahrenheit, providing enough heating for any ingredient to cook properly. These presets work with a single touch of a button, but if you want your food to cook longer than the preset timing or under a higher temperature, this unit offers customizable settings to set both the timer and the temperature level as required. We like the sleek design with a digital display screen and touch-sensitive control panel. With this product, you won't have to always turn on your oven to warm your leftover foods like pizza. The GoWISE also has a handy viewing window and a built-in interior light that allows you to check your food without interrupting the cooking process. The durability of this product is commendable, plus the removable pan and basket are coated with a PFOA-free non-stick material. This unit even comes in 2 sizes and 2 colors, 4 or 5 quarts, and black or red, so you should find one to suit your needs. Lastly, all removable parts of this unit are dishwasher safe, and on top of that, the manufacturer offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty support. Its pros are, it has a convenient viewing window for checking foods as they cook, it comes with a recipe book containing about 100 recipes, and the digital control panel is very straightforward to use. However, the beeping sound when it's done is quite loud, so it may wake up young children or light sleepers. The GoWISE USA 4-quart air fryer is for those who want a convenient and effective way to cook foods with less oil. Still haven't found a budget air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Ultrean AF01. This air fryer is an upgrade to your cooking tasks because it allows you to create more delicious meals with less effort than your regular fryer or cooking pan. It has a compact size without taking up much space on your countertop and works effectively to give you the best cooking results. Like most of its counterparts, this has a detachable fry basket with a non-stick frying pot, whose surface is flat so that your food stays arranged however you like it when cooking. The frying basket and pot are BPA-free and easy to clean. With this unit, you get to cook your food with less fat or oil and yet get crispier results than what a frying pan would give you. With a cooking capacity of only 4.2 quarts, this air fryer is small, but can cook for a couple of people without an issue. To ensure your food cooks evenly, this product circulates hot air at 360 degrees at a temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And, irrespective of how much heat it produces to cook your food, the ergonomic handle remains cool to the touch. This air fryer does not have the touchscreen, but the control buttons are easy to use, and the LCD digital display is convenient too. Lastly, you get a bonus recipe book with this unit, and there are 5 color options available. Its pros are: the frying basket is dishwasher safe, it can grill, toast, bake, fry, and keep food warm, making it a great all-in-one device, and it has a heat-resistant handle, so there's no risk of you burning yourself. However, the user interface is a bit clunky as you have to repeatedly press the same button to get that right setting, which causes it to beep every time. The Ultrean AF01 is ideal for those who want a high-performing air fryer with a sleek and modern design without breaking the bank. The second product on this list is the Dreo digital air fryer. This next air fryer is an unbeatable choice if you are cooking for 1 to 3 people and has a space-saving body that takes up less room and fits perfectly in small cooking areas. It comes with 9 cooking functions, enabling you to preheat, unfreeze, bake, cook, crisp, dehydrate, and reheat your foods quickly with a single touch. You can use these default settings or customize your timer and temperature settings. With this unit, you can prepare meals ranging from breakfast and entrees to desserts and appetizers, and use 95% less oil and fat in your cooking. While some of its counterparts fail to produce adequate heat to cook foods properly, this unit has a temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This, in addition to the timer function, gives you enough flexibility to get the most out of your cooking process. So if you want deep brown, crispy, or soft foods, you can achieve them all with this air fryer. Moreover, the frying basket has a durable non-stick coating, plus this unit has food-grade silicone pads on the plate and stainless steel chamber, all of which are PFOA-free and BPA-free. We also like that this air fryer automatically pauses its cooking when you open it to check your food and resumes when you close it. Lastly, the included recipe book with 50 chef-curated recipes will come in handy for days when you barely have any idea about what to cook. Its pros are: it has an auto pause and resume feature, it has a temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes with 9 cooking functions that can be activated with a single touch of a button for added convenience. However, the cooking tray is not very easy to clean. The Dreo digital air fryer is recommended for anyone who wants a compact and portable unit with a versatile range of cooking functions. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top budget air fryer is the PowerXL Maxx Classic. Healthy meals, value for money, and a more customized cooking experience are among the benefits this air fryer offers. It provides up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit of superheated air to cook your food evenly, so that the outer part of the food stays crispy while the inside remains soft and tender. With as little as 1 tablespoon of oil, you can cook different meals using this air fryer. Although it has fewer presets than the others we discussed on this list, you still get the option of customizing your cooking settings with the temperature and timer functions. The preset options are air fry, French fry, broil fish, chicken, and steak. It is available in 2 sizes, a 4-quart option for single people and couples, and a 7-quart version that's suitable for larger families. We also appreciate the innovative design of the fry basket that allows even distribution of air, allowing the food to cook properly for delicious results. Additionally, every crumb or drip of fat that falls from the food enters the drip trap, and we like this because it helps to keep the cooking chamber clean. Even better though, the removable parts are dishwasher safe because of their non-stick coating. Finally, this air fryer also comes with a chef-curated recipe book, so you can get the most out of it. Overall, this device provides you with the most bang for your buck when it comes to capacity, versatility, and ease of use. Its pros are: it has an innovative ventilation design that promotes optimal airflow. It can cook your food with 1 tablespoon of oil. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, and it is available in both 3 and 7-quart capacities to suit your needs. However, the user manual is very basic. Thankfully, the device is pretty intuitive to operate. The PowerXL Maxx Classic is a brilliantly designed and affordable device that's ideal for anyone who wants to prepare healthy meals in the most convenient way possible. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.